Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can buy the Trump coin on Binance, and this is actually so simple. You can see I come over to Binance and it's literally on the hot list, and for some reason if you don't find it for yourself, you can click on the search button and then just search for Trump. And as you can see, this is the official Trump, which is up by this much. And when you click on it, you can see the chart for 1 hour, you can see it for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. As you can see, all of these things, and your balance right now is 0 Trump. And right now the price is around 75 dollars, as you can see, for 1 Trump. So if you want to buy it, just hit on buy over here. Now you have to decide how you want to pay for it, if it's USD or you have any other currency that you prefer. So just put in your currency over here, and let's say that you want to buy 2 Trump coins or whatever the amount is. Let's say for 150, if you put in, they'll show you the estimated quantity, which is 1.99 amount of Trump coin, and then you want to click on select payment method, and then you have to put in your card details. So you have to click on this one and then confirm, and then it's going to ask you for all of the details. So just put in all of the details and then confirm it, and you'll officially be able to buy the Trump coin. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.